is up, Web3 crew? It's me, Chris Simmons, right here at the GameExpo Dubai, here at the World Trade Center. And right now, I'm at the booth of ASUS, Republic of Gamers, together with Kuya Ryan. He's from the Philippines as well, and he's a product marketing, right? How are you today?
All good, thank you so much. Thank you for joining us here at the Dubai Games Expo. So, yeah, so all good, all fine. Everything's going fun. Everything is engaging to games, and also we have a lot of products coming in and showcasing.
There's a lot of people today. Were you here last GameExpo Dubai?
I was on the last day because I also have another product launch. I was not able to drop by the last day.
Okay, now let's talk about, of course, ASUS and together the Republic of Gamers. What do you guys specialize in? I know everybody knows, the game. What we're doing, but for the sake of our new viewers.
Sure. So Republic of Gamers is our gaming division at ASUS. So we are catering to a lot of gamers, like entry-level gamers, professional gamers. So we have a wide range, starting from gaming laptops, desktops, accessories. We also are a team called Dare to be Different. So Dare to be Different meaning that we are always exploring new means in terms of technology. So one good example, we have a wide range of products here, even in terms of let's say routers. We also have something exclusive. For example, we've just announced our ROG Astral, the Hub Edition, which is very limited, all gold-plated graphic card, which is very a big hit for the Middle East people here.
And what do you think, what makes the Republic of Gamers, ASUS, stand out from all the competitors?
So in terms of that one, so the Republic of Gamers stands out because we listen to the community. So whenever there's a new product coming in, let's say for example, new desktop, new laptop, we always ask our community, our gamers, ranging from beginners, from esports team, so we ask them for feedback. So whenever we got their feedback, we developed some new devices for them. So for example, we have our dual screen gaming laptop, we also have our gaming console, so we have ROG Ally. And also far off, we also have our ROG phone. And we also make sure that their gaming accessories are on par on their requirements, especially for professionals.
And how long have you been with this company?
I've been with the company for more than 10 years.
Wow.
So I've been here for more than 10 years, since 2009, yeah.
9-10 years as a product marketing manager, right? What is the main challenge that you had and how did you overcome it?
So in that part, because when we started ASUS Middle East, or especially for ROG, people here in the market ASUS is not really known back then. But one thing that most people know is ROG.
Yeah.
So back then, it's not a challenge to sell ROG. But back then, ASUS, like a normal ASUS laptop, it's quite a challenge. But once we told them ROG is also part of ASUS, then we're able to convince them that in terms of quality, in terms of motherboard or the power performance, ROG and ASUS is one part, and which makes our products now easier to sell. Whenever new ASUS products comes out, people are always asking us.
And then after GameExpo Dubai, what's next for ROG?
Of course, so we have a lot of things cooking. So of course, I cannot say it right now, but we do have amazing products coming in, of course. So we do have some upcoming events. We'll probably announce some new products. So be on the lookout as well.
Thank you so much. And you might want to invite our viewers to.
So drop on by here at Dubai Games Expo at Dubai Trade Center, Zabil 2. And we also like to invite you to join our ROG Elite Club. It is an exclusive club for ROG community. We'd like everyone to join in and drop by to our ROG booth here at Dubai World Trade Center, Zabil 2. And we also like to invite you to our ROG Elite Club. So we have an exclusive community that will earn you points and rewards, and you can redeem it for amazing items. And also we have a lot of new products coming in for RTX 50 laptops, even a gold-plated graphic card, which is very exclusive here in the Middle East. So drop on down here and join us.
Thank you so much. And last question, what do you think is the future of money?
Oh, simple answer, it's digital. Everything now is digital. I don't even carry hard cash anymore. I just carry my phone, I just carry my watch, and everything is there. Everything, every transaction, pop. You just tap your phone, all good. Cash is digital.
Now describe this event in 3 words. Let's go.
Very epic event.
Thank you so much, Ryan. There you have it. I hope you get a lot of insights from him. This is me, Chris Simmons. More to come only here at FOMO, the future of money.